Today we are learning one of the secrets to become a confident and a fluent English speaker by training our muscle, developing the muscle memory and learning how to become a confident and a fluent speaker even with difficult wordy expressions. So let's do it. Tongue twisters. Tongue twisters are the sentences in which words are arranged in such a sequence that it becomes difficult to pronounce those words fluently, and one word trips up on another one. For example, she sells seashells on the seashore. However, these tongue twisters are just stage 1 and there is a lot more to do. And for that, just simply join our Skype video call session. Brush up your spoken English, vocabulary, grammar and pronunciation. So just simply click on the link given in the description. Become our student and connect with us in a video call. So let's begin with the first tongue twister, and that is, which wristwatch is the Swiss wristwatch? But you don't have to say it like this. It would be more rapid and you have to repeat it at least 3 times. So say it with me. Which wristwatch is the Swiss wristwatch? Which wristwatch is the Swiss wristwatch? Which wristwatch is the Swiss wristwatch? You have to say it as fast as you can and as many times as you want. I would suggest you to practice at least 1 tongue twister a day, either in the morning or maybe at night. And you can find a lot more tongue twisters on Google. But anyways, let's move on toward the next one. And that is, the 6th sick shakes, 6th sheep is sick. Let's practice it now. The 6th sick shakes, 6th sheep is sick. The 6th sick shakes, 6th sheep is sick. The 6th sick shakes, 6th sheep is sick. Well done. So the next one is very common one, and that is also something that I also practice. Whenever I have to go to do the public speaking, I also practice this a lot, and that is, she sells seashells on the seashore. Let's practice it. She sells seashells on the seashore. She sells seashells on the seashore. She sells seashells on the seashore. Good. Next tongue twister is 6 sticky skeletons. But this is what you have to practice by your own. And same as the last one, which is, I wish to wash my Irish wristwatch. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the lesson and you will practice these tongue twisters at home. For more tips, tricks and techniques, don't forget to visit our website SIFE.pk. Join our online courses, and if not, then give me a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Take care, stay blessed.